Welcome today in front of me Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, and I'll show you how to customize volume panels on this device. So first you should go to the Google folder and launch the Play Store application. Now here in the search pool type the volume styles app, and now we have to get this application. So tap to install. Now just open the application and on the right upper corner tap to start. Now just here tap once on the switcher. Here tap to the downloaded apps, and here we got the volume styles. Now just tap once on the switcher here to use the application and wait a few seconds. Now just tap here to OK and go back to the application, and here right now we can start. And as can you see, we got here all the availables new volume panel that you can just set up on your device. For example, here you can tap on the iOS one, and now as you can just see that we really use this volume panel. Also you can, for example, select the waves one, and as can you see our volume panel has changed successfully to the waves one. Also you can select the another one, for example, and just if you want to stop to use these volume panels, just tap here to stop on the right upper corner. And now as can you see, we got here our default volume panel from our device. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.